Hi guys, welcome back to another video. And today I was outside. I was wondering, what should I do a video on? I mean, I've done 2 yesterday. I was like, toy review? Nah. The skit? Nah, too much playing. And then I figured out, hey, I have this thing in my backyard that would be pretty interesting. And this is another restoration video that I will currently work on today. And I'm meaning today. And I know you all are begging to see it, so I'll show you it. It's an old boat I had. It's a tree house actually. It's been there for a long time and it's starting to rot and deteriorate. And I've watched enough movie prop videos stuff to learn that if you leave something for too long, it will eventually deteriorate completely. I mean, look at this. If look, that's terrible. And if you come to the outside, it's not actually looking too good. I mean, and it's actually not painted. Or she's not looking too good. We've given her a moss thing. My brother did. She got rid of all the moss, but it's not looking too good. She missed some spots where there should have been very heavily damaged stairs going up in the underneath. Not much in here, but it's the underneath. We also have a ladder up there. Here's like a dock part of it. As you can see, it's not holding up too well. There's the stairs going up, and I'm going to take a different way. Well, here's an old buggy, another thing we used as a child. Yep, so let's just go up here. Secret ladder, climbing up. Can't more see the stairs. Side and look, it's already started to build up with leaves. This was completely clean when we cleaned it. As you can see, I actually named this boat Titanic because I was extremely wanting to call this boat Titanic because, well, I wasn't a Titanic back then. What the heck? Anyway, yeah, it's already starting to build up with leaves. The door, which I'll have to fix up. Here is the inside. Holy shit. Yep, again I'm gonna have to clean this place out of leaves. Jesus. So, I'm gonna clean this place out with leaves, nails, stuff. This is actually meant to be a bed. There's a cargo hold / cabin room. If I come out here, look, there's a little clear space. Here we can rise out of the roof. And as you can see, the front isn't very nice looking. And before this thing gets completely shrouded in destruction, we're going to fix it. Yep. Because now I'm fix it, Felix, I'm kidding. And hopefully, yeah, that's fucking disgusting. Hopefully we can fix this boat before it completely deteriorates under its own will. Because it's quite a cool tree house, and I know a lot of kids would love to have this as their tree house, but I sure did, I know, but kind of left it. So that's my next project. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video, and I hope you liked it, I guess. So like, subscribe, and I'll show more videos on this channel like this, like restorations of my Action Man vehicles that I previously have shown, and yeah, just like it. Yeah, and it started to rain now. Great. So, bye, subscribe, you know, do all that stuff that YouTubers tell you to do, and actually, no, I'm not going to end the video. Yeah, that was stupid, but do like and subscribe. This boat's not completely torn. As you can see, there's red things. leading up to the top of the funnel and everything. So we're gonna climb up these slippery slopes to the top where it was just a real estate home thingy, whatever, and you want a retirement village thingy. And in here, I don't know if you guys can see that, but the funnel's pretty knackered and everything. Some masks, maybe getting some leaves. I can't see. Anyway, bye guys, like and subscribe, and I'll see you all later. Yeah, that's a major destruction.